C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking car, 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. L82, numbers matching V8 underneath the hood. And that's paired up with a numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission. Believed to be an original mile car. The odometer right now reads 18,995. And there's actually an odometer statement signed by previous owners 1998, and the odometer read 6,820. And very interesting color on this car. Paint code is 68, so it's dark brown, which I guess you don't always think about sports cars being dark brown, but I tell you what, you just don't see these, and I think that's what makes this car so interesting. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the rally wheels, obviously, with the center caps, beauty rings. BF Goodrich radials and date code on those 2021 with plenty of tread left, so tires are good to go. And yes, this paint shows well. Is there kind of a little bit of spotting? Yes, but overall it has a nice shine to it. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, go have some fun. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips. And as you can see up and down this passenger side, again, just clean. Paint has a nice gloss to it. Now as far as the interior, 415 medium saddle. And this appears to be original interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at the interior. Chrome up top and the T-bar looking good. T-top's also in nice shape. And you'll be able to see those in the still pictures on the car and off the car. It's going to come with some miscellaneous parts. Car cover, looks like a wiring schematic. And then the T-top covers, packages you can put them in, as well as a build sheet, protecto plate, a bunch of miscellaneous receipts, and you're going to see those in the still pictures also. Technician on this car that went through it in our service department, it checked out very well. Brakes straight. Brakes are 85% in the front, 70% in the rear. Two-piece rear bumper. And again, look at the shine to that paint. It's just, I don't know, there's something about a C3 in brown that looks cool. You're not going to look like the rest of the C3s if you go to a vet show. There's no doubt about that. Take a look down the driver's side. If you like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right, here's one for you Corvette fans out there. And maybe you could tell us down in the comments, what exactly is that key slot for? Interesting option on these. But yeah, go ahead and put it down in the comments if you're a Corvette expert and you'd like to fill everybody in watching this video. Let us know what that keyhole's for. All right, door panel, and that is the original door panel. Looks like new. And here's what I'm talking about as far as seats. Now think of this. This is a 1974 model year. These are the original seats. Not showing much wear. What you'd expect as far as with the miles. And if you can see it, there it is right there, 18,995. If I can get it to focus for you. There it is, 18,995, right between the 5 and the 6. AM FM stereo, that is working. Of course, 4-speed. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Now there's also a dyno sheet in the still pictures. That's along with the other receipts. Granted, 1974 wasn't a real high horsepower year, but this car's got a little bit of power to it. Check that dyno sheet out. That is a door ajar, by the way, light. Not a check engine light, warning light, anything like that. The clock is actually working. Oil pressure, battery, water temp, that was a cold start, and fuel gauge. Slip around to the back, so you can hear it run. A little rumble. Sounds good. All right, let me see if I can do this in one handed and get it to lock or not. All right, there we go. All right, there it is. Numbers matching 350 L82. And you can see, looks like new master cylinder. The guards for the electronics all still in place. Aluminum radiator has been added. We'll check these headlights too. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take this for a drive also. So pretty stock looking engine bay, nice and clean and tidy. And again, numbers matching. The stamp right there on that pad. You'll be able to see the pictures online, as well as the transmission stamp. So again, numbers matching, drivetrain, powertrain, everything. And headlights are in working order. Let's go ahead and close them up too. There you go. Pretty cool C3. Paint code 68, dark brown. Something about it I like. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette, looking very 74 in brown and tan on the interior. 4 on the floor, or the center console if you will. Manual transmission. This is a nice smooth running Corvette. Idles nicely. Very good throttle response. You can hear the 4 barrels open up when you put your foot in it. Shifts well. The blower motor works. Guess what else works? The radio works. The wipers work. It looks like all of our gauges are working and looking great. The oil pressure showing 45 psi. The fuel just above half a tank. Water temperature a quarter of the way up the gauge. That looks like around 150, 160. Still warming up a little bit. The battery is charging well over halfway on the gauge, and we have a clock right here counting the seconds. Very stock looking car, very original appearing in my opinion. Vinyl bucket seats with the textured vinyl in the area that you sit for breathability. T-tops, you gotta have T-tops. Sometimes on a Corvette it's the Targa top, but T-tops, they're just cooler in my opinion. What year was the first year for T-tops? It had to be early 70s, right? Corners the way a Corvette should. Very fun to drive. If you like C3 Corvettes, this is a nice little time capsule. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.